back again. So for today's video, I'm going to try this very popular coffee recipe. Let's see how it turns. Okay, to make the white coffee, you don't need much. All you need is only 3 ingredients. One is milk, any kind of milk is fine. And then the main ingredient is coffee. Here I'm using this Nescafe and a sugar in hot water or boiling water. Okay, let's start. Okay, first put 2 spoons of coffee. And then 2 tablespoons sugar. And then add the water. Now all you need to do is you have to mix it. You have to mix it really raw. Keep mixing. Mix it till it turns into a white or a creamy color. It will take a time. If you have this equipment, you can try this. Now you can see the change of color. It's already turned into cream. Guys, can you see the differences? It's already turned into a creamy form. Let's do it for a few more minutes. And then it's ready to serve. So yeah guys, it's already turned into white. Now all we have to do is put the milk in the glass and it's ready to serve. The coffee has become thicker, substance has changed, color has also changed. I think it's walking. Now I'm going to put this I'm struggling. So guys, this is the final result. I'm satisfied. I don't know how it tastes. Let me taste it. It looks nice. The coffee turned into the foam. Now let's see how it tastes. How it tastes. Let's see. Guys, now I'm going to try this coffee. Guys, you can eat also ice if you want to. It looks good. I don't know how it is. Let's see. I'm with the coffee and I'm going to try. It actually tastes good. Seriously. How much have you? Told you. Kishla. Give it back to me. I'll make it for you again. It actually works well and the coffee tastes really good. I'm not lying, guys. You should try. It's very simple. The recipes are so simple and it's easy to make, so you should try. That's it for today's video, and I wanted to say thank you for those who take time to watch my videos and subscribe to my channel. I'm so thankful. And those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and comment, hit the bell icon so that you can get the notification updated. That's it for today. Thank you so much, guys.